Hi and welcome back to Wrexham Volkswagen. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel so you never miss a video. My name is Shannon and today I will be showing you around this fantastic Volkswagen approved used Polo R-Line, which is a 1 litre petrol manual, 95 PS, finished in a vibrant violet metallic paint, which is an additional option on this vehicle. It does come with your 2-year Volkswagen warranty as well as 2 years roadside assistance. So if you would like to find out more information, then please give us a call on 01978 340 600. So today I will be giving you a 360-degree walk around and then I'll jump inside and I'll go in further details on the interior features and technologies. So firstly, taking you around, we have these incredible 17-inch Bergamo alloy wheels, which are an additional extra. These contrast really nicely against the blue paint, with your remote folding door mirrors, providing additional safety for your vehicle when parked on narrow streets. Next, taking a look inside the interior, we have this stunning Corso cloth upholstery, which is both comfortable and practical for you and your passengers. This car features your parking sensors both front and rear. This will ensure parking is as easy as possible and will give you that boost of confidence when making those tight manoeuvres. Next, showing you a highlight of the boot space, you'll not be disappointed as we have more than enough room to store your weekly shopping trips. The floor is variable so we can adjust the height. Then a great additional extra does include your space saver spare wheel. Moving around, we have your heat insulated rear tinted glass, not only making the car look really sporty, this will also help to keep the car's temperature regulated. Then taking a glance inside the front interior with your multi-function steering wheel followed by your R-Line embossed front seats. These do have manual adjustments available, including your lumbar support to help you find the most safe and comfortable position. And then a great additional extra includes your panoramic sunroof, really enhancing your experience. So that does conclude a 360-degree walk around. So in the second part of the video, I'll jump inside and I'll go in further details on the interior features and technologies. So jumping inside the car, we have your multiple electric mirror window adjustments and the central locking in the driver's door with your automatic light controls just to the right of the wheel. This will ensure they're always on at the correct times. Then moving on to your R-Line embossed multifunction steering wheel. So here we can access some of the car's features without removing our hands, including the adaptive cruise control, which is handy for motorway driving. And then using the controls on the right side of the wheel, you can customise what you want to see in your active information display screen. This is where you find your key driver information and settings. So we can see things such as your navigation. This can be displayed directly in front of you. We can also expand the map. This will help to create a safer driving environment. Then moving on to your infotainment systems. So here we can access a wide range of features. So this is touchscreen. So we've got your DAB and FM radio where you can save your favourite stations to your preset lists. So this will keep you entertained during them longer trips. Going into media, you'll see we do have your Bluetooth audio, so you can pair your phone to the car to play your own music, or you can use the Bluetooth to make hands-free calls nice and safely on the move. This car features your satellite navigation as you've just seen on your cluster. So this is the perfect addition for helping you plan your routes. You can change the display from day to night or even automatic. You've got your app connection, so you can pair your phone to the car to stream your phone apps, such as your music maps, contacts and messages. We've got some great safety features including your lane assist, your front assist, your driver alert system, the adaptive cruise control and the dynamic road sign display. When popping the car into reverse, your parking sensors will appear on the screen. These will also give off an audio warning which will help to protect your vehicle and any objects that are close to it. Just below you'll find your climate controls available. So this is digital, the controls are touch sensitive. It's nice and easy to use. It offers you and your front passenger individual airflow. And then just below we do have 2 USB points, so media devices can be charged on the go. We've got your manual gearbox, followed by your manual handbrake, a 12-volt socket, some handy cup holders. And we've got some additional storage underneath the armrest. And then finally, giving you another quick highlight, your panoramic sunroof. So you can find the controls just above, you just pull it to and from. Then when the sunlight gets too much, you have your sun blind as well. So thank you for watching this video. This Volkswagen approved used Polo R-Line, which just include a 2-year warranty as well as 2 years roadside assistance, along with additional benefits and flexible finance packages available. For a personalised finance quote or to book a test drive, please contact us now on 01978 340 600.